Okay. Snort it off.
Snort it right up there, buddy.
Okay. You're ready, boys. Let's do this. Watch my finger. Oh, yeah!
His face turning red. Keep going. I don't think his equilibrium is right there. I think his equilibrium is gone.
Woo!